The Herbal Cooperative THC is forging ahead, finally securing a probationary certificate of registration from the Registrar of Cooperatives.
This is, of course, a very pivotal development in the life of the cooperative, and it has certainly caused us to realize that we have our work cut out for us.
Why probationary is simply because the co-op has just started, and the department want to ensure that the cooperative complies with all the cooperative philosophies, principles, and all the requirements. Hence the reason for probationary. And we are good with that because we need to fulfill that mission. Because if you do not provide the cooperative the requisite information that they need to make you a full-fledged cooperative, you'll get a problem.
The probationary period will last for 6 months, with the next step coming in February of 2024. In the absence of the legislative framework to guide the sale and large-scale production of cannabis, THC has focused its gaze on not only cannabis, but herbs of all forms.
We want the cooperative to be like a marketing board and a banana association all in one. So it'd be a central purchasing agency, but we'd be also supplying inputs, technical knowledge, on-farm services to our members.
So right now, with the advent of the cooperative and in the advent of the legalization process that's going through, we want to make these people into legitimate business people, where they don't have to run for police and police to shoot them in the back and they lose their lives over selling small quantities of flowers, which is marijuana. So we want to ensure that these persons are moved into the mainstream and create these opportunities of legal employment for them.
According to the Board of Directors of THC, the cooperative was established to promote research on the growth and use of medicinal and culinary herbs, the marketing of products processed from culinary and medicinal herbs, and to educate the populace on the benefits of the herbs. Some proponents have argued that St. Lucia may have missed the boat where cannabis is concerned, but the THC differs.
Several people over the years have come and spoken to the former Prime Minister, Mr. Shastny, and have spoken to this administration. One of the key investors is a doctor who developing a pharmaceutical for that treats irritable bowel syndrome. And he's going to use CBD in that product. He would like to put to actually build the pharmaceutical factory right here, and we, the cooperative, would supply him with CBD barrels of CBD, and then he would develop the product and export it from here. The cooperative is hoping to have an extraction plant. So when you grow medical herb, you bring in your medical herb, and then we put it through an extraction process, get the CBD oil and sell the CBD oil to him. So it's from seed to export.
DeCary says this is only one of the revenue-generating avenues being explored by the THC, with many more options available, such as fiberboard manufacturing for low-cost housing, marketing St. Lucia as a medical cannabis location, and the lucrative body care industry. So how could interested individuals take the next step in becoming a member of the Herbal Cooperative?
So first of all, applicants have to fill out an application form, and when submitting that application form, they have to do so with a copy of the ID card and also a 100 EC non-refundable fee that would allow us to process the application. The application would be vetted by the board, of course, and that applicant can expect a response within 14 days of returning that form. If successful, then that applicant would be required to start purchasing the shares, and every approved member must purchase a minimum of 10 shares prior to our first annual general meeting, and each share costs 100 EC, so that would give them a total of $1,000 in the cooperative, meaning that they own 10 shares in the cooperative. All approved members will also receive their official copy of the bylaws of the cooperative.
Interested applicants are asked to contact the THC Secretary, Marcus Day, at 721-7278 for application forms and further information. Former and current Commerce Ministers Bradley Felix and Emma Hippolyte, respectively, were singled out for praise. The THC will hold an annual general meeting in Soufrière. Residents from the community and environs are encouraged to attend. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.